Hello friends, today we are going to perform the study of diuretic activity using metabolic cage. For this particular activity, we need one equipment, that is the metabolic cage. The description is given below. As you can see, the metabolic cage is designed to allow measurement of fluid intake and to separate and collect feces and urine for numerous qualitative and quantitative determinations. In addition, the metabolic cage permits observation of the animal, feces and urine at all times. We'll see the principle of this particular experiment, where it's mentioned diuretics are the compounds which increases the flow of urine. Normal urine output in rats is very small, 1 to 2 ml per rat per day. Hence, to get the measurable quantity, the animals are first hydrated. The urine output is increased after administration of diuretics like urea and furosemide. Increase in volume of urine is measured with the help of measuring cylinder and compare with the normal urine output. So you can see in the experiment part how we are going to perform this particular experiment. First, we need to divide the animals into two groups, 6 animals in each group. Administer one group with the drug, that is furosemide 10 mg per kg, to be tested, and the other with vehicle by oral route. After that, place the animals in metabolic cages, record the total volume of urine collected after 5 hours, compare the urine output between vehicle treated and the drug treated group. So you can see in the observation what we need to mention here. After treating both the group animal with vehicle and drug, after 5 hours, the quantity of urine output in vehicle treated and quantity of urine output in drug treated, we need to mention in each column, and we need to take an average. That both average we need to compare. So we'll do the experiment. As you can see, we are administering the drug into those particular animals. As you can see, the drug is being given by oral route. Now, if I am taking one vehicle treated drug and keeping that particular vehicle treated animal to this particular metabolic cage, and below that, with the funnel, we kept one measuring cylinder. And after 5 hours, we are finding out, how much is the urine output. We can see the 2.9 ml for any vehicle treated animal. Same way, we'll collect one drug treated animal and we'll keep in a similar way in that metabolic cage for another 5 hours, and we'll keep beaker below that metabolic cage for 5 hours, and after 5 hours we are collecting the urine output. And you can see for drug treated the urine output is 10 ml. So similar way, if you are taking all the vehicle treated animal and all the drug treated animal, and we are keeping it for another 5 hours for both the group of animal, and after 5 hours we are taking the reading and we are comparing the urine output between the drug treated and the vehicle treated after 5 hours. So as you already know, furosemide is a diuretic drug. So normally conclusion, we can see that in case of vehicle treated and drug treated animals, the urine output for drug treated, that is furosemide treated animal, has to be more. So increase the average of urine output in furosemide, that is a diuretic drug. Treated animal shows that urine level is increased in the furosemide treated animal. So we can see in case of the drug furosemide, that helps to increase the urine output, and we have compared it with the vehicle treated animal.